that was a bit dodge.
See, I'm even too scared to do that.
Yeah. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Morning.
Hi.
We're back with another video. Hi Dot.
Hi.
This time's a little bit different. We were going to head off to Wales, but the weather's just too unpredictable. We're going out. But so I started a new hobby this week about 3 days ago, and Alex suggested to me, why don't we, you know, now you've started skateboarding.
Now that you're like 3 days into it, let's just go balls deep into a skate park.
So let's go here. So welcome to a new video, and we're going to go to an indoor skate park. So anyway, let's get inside, let's sign some waivers, and we'll see it on the ramps.
Let's go!
Hit the camera.
We're about to go in. This is going to be probably comical because you're going to see a lot of falling over. Maybe you won't actually, but maybe you might see some absolute screamers, belters. Very cool scoop, isn't it? Sick of standing or sitting around on the outdoor ones.
That's a little ramp in here and everything, you know. Alright, whatever. Do you mean like you dress a certain way and it looks like you know what you're doing, but then like you come on this?
People probably think he's like, yeah, he's fucking must be. Oh, he must be a skater.
Skating for years.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
You'll soon see. You'll soon find out. There was 2 other people in here, but they've just gone, so we've got the whole place to ourselves. There's a BMX girl over there, but that's the good thing about being homeschooled. You get the whole place like this to yourselves for 33 quid for 2 hours for 3 of us. Let's go.
Yeah!
Okay, it'll be dead fast, isn't it? I just walk through the tunnel. Forrest, didn't you say you're going to whip around this one? Yeah. He said he's going to whip around this circle. There we go, it's the other side of the skateboard. Oh, it's a bit, oh, this is better. There we go. Found more of a skateboard park here now. So this is going to be better, isn't it? Head on your front foot. You got it, come on. Some on there, here we go, you've got it. Go, yes. Well done. She said she's going to be a bit more confident today, so let's have a little go myself. I'm not going around down the bit she went down yet, but let's go. I'm going to go down these ramps here, hopefully. Let's go. There we go. Balance feels good. Here we go, first ramp. Oh shit, not the big one. That wasn't as smooth as I wanted, to be fair, but I don't know. Let's try again. There we go. Dotty's showing me up again. Show me what to do, Dot. Go on. Easy. Oh, she makes it look easy, doesn't she? Forrest, he couldn't bring his little scooter, he had 3 wheels, so he's had to go straight on a stunt scooter straight away, but it ain't stopping you as a buster. Let's go. Show us how it's done. Let's go. Yes. Yeah, and again. Nice.
That was a bit dodge. Go. Woo, sick. How is he this good after like 3 or 4 days of being on a board? Like, obviously he's been on a board, like, and like, you know, Dotty's been doing it, so he's like stood on it and like had a little go. Nothing more than that, and then now he's just like doing all this stuff. I'm like, as if. It's not until you actually step on a board though and you realise how difficult it is. Oh god. Oh no.
Go for it, son. Woo! You got it. You got it.
Keep hold of the handles, don't
There you go. Yes. Yes.
Forrest, fist bump.
Well done, Forrest.
Well done.
That was very
Listen,
brave.
me and Dotty wouldn't even go down on that one, so to be fair to him, go straight in on that.
I can't even look.
Me and Dotty are having a race.
Go. Dotty's smoked you.
Like that?
Yeah.
Right in between my legs. I just think to lay this is like there's a little area in the corridor at the back where it's like a little drop in. We've never dropped in before. This one obviously is a bit too big, but there's a little one in the corridor, so let's go see if we can drop in. No wishful thinking, but let's go and have a little look. Here we go. See what we can do. Yeah, down there, Dot. Fair dues, fair time on my skateboard. Not bad at all. Curb. Is it? Well, I heard Dotty go, whoa! Oh, there it is. Ah, are you going to try that? There it is. All your weight on the back and then slap it. I'm saying go for it. It's terrifying. Let me have a little look. See, I'm even too scared to do that. Just hold on. I'm just going to try it. I'm just going to try it.
It looks so tiny. Like everyone probably thinks it's such a farce. Everyone probably thinks it's such a farce.
And I think that's what happens when you skateboard. You got to fall. I want to try again.
Oh my god.
So I feel like more weight.
You need to put more weight in the back one, don't you?
No, in the front.
In the front one, sorry. Go on.
It's surprisingly terrifying. The heart's like. Anyway, let me show you. So I'm gonna hold Dottie's hand because she can't do it with me holding the hand. But let's put this up here.
Possibly not.
No, you can do it. Definitely, just one hand. You can do it. You can do it bigger than it. That's how you do it. So we've got 2 hands to 1 hand, pinky, and then no hands. Here we go. This is one of those good moments where she's building herself up, not to be able to do it, and she smashed it first time. You ready? Let's go.
So.
Go. Look at that.
Oh my days. That's really easy.
This girl makes it look easy. I'm going to try again.
Fall on the floor when you go.
Getting closer, but still so far. Right, I'm going to turn it off. Let me have a few practices. I'm going to get back. Actually, I'm going to Alex to hold my hand. Okay, Alex isn't available with Dotty's. I'm going to get her to hold my hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One hand. One hand. Ready? I'm going to get Dotty to record this because if you don't know, I've got a little skateboarding Instagram now which is called Skate with Hunter. Go and check it out. So if we do this now, this is my first little drop I've ever done, so I'm going to get Dotty to record me as well. Just stand by the camera. Ready?
You can do this.
First time.
That was amazing.
Oh shit! To be continued. Let's go a bit faster than that. Yeah, their skateboard's well better than mine anyway. No, it's not my skateboard, it's Forest, but I'm going to try. This skateboard, like I said, I'm not giving excuses, this skateboard does lose its pace straight away, watch. Oh, that's going to stand on the second skate ramp there. I won't get there now, you ready? Well, I'll face the 2 because it'll be funny for 4. Let's go. Here we go. Ah! Right, okay, so look, that was 1 ramp, 2nd ramp. And Dotty got up this one, but watch out, stop. Look, if I'll go backwards. I'm going to try and do, I think it's called a fakie where you spin around. Oh, there you go. Wait.
You like this slide! Woo!
2, 3, go! Woohoo!
That's so fast! Look, do the race all the way down here, but the man is
Who's going to win?
me.
Let's see.
This big guy.
This big guy. Yep. Let's see how this goes. Ready? Go! Forfeited. You won, son. Smashed it. Right, I just dropped in, but didn't have any camera on me to do it, so I just went and got the GoPro. I wanted to drop it. I dropped in, landed, but I fell down. It's in like a little half pipe bowl, whatever it's called. But I'm going to go for it, and I've got the video, I've got the camera, let's do it.
Go, you can do it, Dad. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, look at my eyes. Resin.
That was the best one. We'll leave it there. 4th day skateboarding, just dropped in. You having a go? With me holding you? Yeah, go. Who thinks no hands, guys? Next time we comments in the box, in the comments if Dotty should next time we come do no hand dropping.
So after a morning of skating, how do you feel about that, guys?
Not to
Was it good?
fallen. I need some protection because I don't want another baby. No, because my hands are sore.
Okay, tumbleweed. Yeah, so on the way back we decided we'd take a little trip to Loch Lane, even though we were kind of like 10 minutes out because I'm hungry.
It's just full of those little independent stores down here. That's what's so good about Loch Lane, isn't it?
Yeah, I love places like this though. You have a little mooch around. I mean, if you want to come and just have loads of coffee, well, this is your spot. Ready? Should we go in? Oh, it smells good in here. For this hat, too sexy for this hat.
Oh gosh.
Uh-oh.
I don't know.
Well, come on.
Don't
Meant to put the... Jesus is a scouser. For this hat, too sexy for this hat. Sure what this was. We were like, is it a calf? Is it this? And then we were like, yeah, vintage shop and bakery. Oh, love it. Cowboy boots, glittery ones, love it. Oh, Dotty, look at those. Yes, look at this.
they could fit me. I'm fine on.
Oh my god, festival vibes.
Oh yeah.
No, I want one of these.
They would fit you.
Why do girls just love anything that's like glittery? Like literal magpies. Like, I'm not the most girliest girl, but just anything that shimmers, I'm like, ooh.
Yeah.
Do they?
Yeah.
Do you though?
Really?
No, you say you fit and then you cry.
They look small.
Yeah, it's too small.
We go from skating park to
125.
Hooker Heels.
Stripper. I can walk. I'm really good at walking. Dad, I can walk on these. Dad.
Yeah.
Look. I can walk on these.
Take them off, please. Right, we've just found a spot for a sandwich because we needed something quick and easy and tasty, so Derek's it is. They've got like a few around Liverpool, haven't they?
Yeah, well, we wanted one years ago now. The thing was it's the best sandwich I've ever had. I haven't had one for years, so.
Yeah, and they've got one on Loch Lane now, so. Woo. Hi. Can we have the chicken parm and you know the soup?
We have no soup, we've run out
Oh, dang it, that's okay.
of grilled cheese either.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Just get you sandwich, have to sort them out somewhere.
Okay, so just the chicken.
What you prepared, yeah?
Yeah.
Thanks, see ya.
Yeah, it's alright. It'll still go the same way. I know. One Derek sandwich. Mouth is actually watering, okay?
Oh yeah.
It's a lethal weapon. Right, let's dig in, guys. Let's dig in.
Maybe they might be half, yes, because you might drop it.
No.
Hold on, let Mum bite it. Get in there.
Oh god, that's so close. You can get mayo?
Go on then.
Go.
Oh, mayo, that mayo.
And how's that bread?
Tastes like bread.
Everyone had a choice. We're just having... Share it between you. Don't let it fall all over the car. We're just having a fight about the sandwich that I ordered. And now I've got to share it. Well, I know I was going to have to share it with Forest, but now I have to share it with Dots as well.
Forest, Dad.
Come here, get your tin foils all over.
Just typical.
Right, why these guys fight over the sandwich? I mean, if you ever come to Loch Lane, and Derek's a few other locations around the Liverpool. And we'll leave this vlog here. Hope you enjoy our skateboarding one a little bit different today. Hopefully next week we're going to get out in nature and look for this secret cabin. Secret cabin in the woods, what we might try and go and find. But if not, we'll make a vlog like always next week. We'll see you in the next one.
Good.
Saying bye, guys.
Bye.